This video describes how to access two of our databases that provide primary sources. First, you need to be logged in to LCPS Go. Click on Library Resources. Once you're on this page, you will notice that all of our databases are alphabetized so that you can find things easily. The first database we'll look at today is called ABC CLIO LCH. Once you're on the page, scroll down and click on the image of World History, Ancient and Medieval Eras. The banner on this page allows you to explore by time periods. We're going to take a look today at a video that describes how to use this database.
Welcome to your ABC CLIO World History, Ancient and Medieval Eras database, where you can learn about early civilizations, dynasties, and empires. Let's take a quick tour and see the resources and tools you can use to make learning easier. We'll start on the home page. Right off the bat, you'll find two options to search and discover. When you're looking for something specific, you can enter the search term here, and then click on Filters to narrow down your results. When you check out a particular resource, you can also get to other related background materials as well that will give you more information and context. Back on the home page, you can also explore by time period. Clicking on a time period will take you to its page, which breaks that era down into important themes. And inside each of these theme rows, you'll see several topic centers. The topic centers are where you'll find the important information about the topic itself. On every topic center page, you'll have access to key ideas, activities, and resources relating to the subject. In this case, Alexander the Great. In every topic center, you'll see an overview essay, topic essentials, investigate activities, and a topic library. The overview is a great place to get going. This is the first thing you'll see on the Topic Center main page, and it'll introduce you to the topic you'll be exploring. After that, the Topic Essentials section gives you a series of video lessons from expert teachers. These are easy to follow videos explaining the concepts that are most important to the topic. If you want, you can print out video transcripts and outlines to follow along, or take notes on as you go. Below the videos, you can find questions and vocabulary terms that relate to the topic, plus quizzes you can take to check your own understanding. The investigate activities are where you can really roll up your sleeves and apply your knowledge. Here, you can explore a key question about the topic, using provided sources, and a worksheet you can download or print to help you organize ideas. Each topic center also contains a topic library. Here, you can conduct more research as you need it, additional articles, media, and primary source documents. You can keep track of your materials with these tools at the top. You can save things in Google Drive or Dropbox, email documents to yourself, or print. You can even click here to get the right citations for your sources, in case you use them in other assignments later, or you're creating a works cited list. And finally, here on the home page, you have an academic success corner with resources to help you stay sharp with key skills, including video tutorials on research, writing, reading, and critical thinking. For help locating any information or resources you might need, you can simply ask a librarian. And that's it. You're ready to navigate your ABC CLIO World History, Ancient and Medieval Eras database.
The second database that we'll look at today is actually an encyclopedia. And it's called Britannica Academic LCH. In the search bar, you can search for any information or search words and key terms that you decide. Right now we're going to click Primary Resources, and then we're going to search for Ancient Rome. You'll notice that suggestions for searching populate beneath your search terms. Click View All Results for Ancient Rome in Primary Sources. can choose from articles, images, videos, or ebooks. Let's click on images to see what it looks like. Scrolling down from here, you can choose images of anything in ancient Rome that resulted from your search. This is an easy way to find primary sources for any of your search topics. If you have any questions, make sure that you ask a librarian.